One of the questions I always get is, why raise chickens? Well, they're kind of fun to raise. And in these days of COVID-19, a lot more people are getting interested in a little bit more self-sufficiency and protecting themselves and what can they do in their backyard or garden. Well, chickens, eggs are one of the best forms of protein you can get, and they're so versatile. The other question I get is, how many do I need? Well, it depends what you want. If you simply want eggs for breakfast, all you need is 1 or 2 chickens per family member. Chickens lay approximately, depending where you are, which climate you have, the temperature, they lay approximately 2 eggs every 3 days. It's not quite an egg a day, but something like 2 eggs for every 3 days average. So each chicken would lay about 5-ish eggs for the week. So if there's 2 family members, you have 2 chickens, that gives you 10 eggs. Simple math really, but it's kind of up to quite a lot of eggs. If you only have a couple of chickens in your yard, 2, 3, 4, you don't have to buy any feed at all. You can simply feed them from your kitchen scraps. Because trust me, these chickens, they'll eat anything. They'll eat each other given half a chance. But even though you can still buy a 5-pound bag of laying mash once a week, just to keep them healthy, make sure they get all the proper minerals for the health of the hen and the strength of the shell. The more chickens you have, you can buy bags of 25-pound feed, which is what I have, and I also use for screening, as you can see there, and you can get 50 pounds. I have about 30 something chickens, and I buy a 25-pound bag of laying mash once a week, and that costs, $12, $13, $14, depending on the price of corn during the year. It does fluctuate slightly, but that's about it. About less than $15 a week, and the amount of eggs that I collect feeds the family, and the surplus I sell, and the surplus pays for the feed. So basically I've had eggs for free and made a couple of dollars. It's not a large amount. I made a couple of dollars over the last few years now. So I'm self-sufficient in eggs, or completely 100% self-sufficient in eggs. People always ask me, where do I get my feed from? Well, I get my feed from Reimers. They have a shop here in Dangringa, main base in Spanish Lookout, but they have outlets all over the country of Belize. So thanks, Reimers.